When you go to AutoSketch, open up the CO2 template. It is in alphabetical order. And then the first thing that you want to do is put your name in, your period, and your date. But we want to do this with this zoom box feature. You're going to see me use this zoom box all the time under View, Zoom Box. And look, this is the way I would draw this if I were sitting alone at a computer. Not just showing you, but alone at a computer. Draw. I like text editor. For some reason it seems to keep things better, keep them in line better. I want to make sure that my caps lock is on, and I put in my name. I say OK. Period. I line it up with the bottom of period, the word period. Then I put in my period. Say OK. And then I come over here and I put in date. This is just my drawing. Your drawing is going to look different. Some people have thought they need to draw my drawing. No, you're drawing your own drawing. This is just an example to get you started. The date that you start is great. All right, now let's get oriented, or let's do our first move up here. So I'm going to go back to View, and I'm going to hit the Zoom sheet, which is just a blank sheet. Then I'm going to move my wheels. So I'm going to move my wheels by going to Modify, Move, and I'm going to move it where I want it to go, something that looks like my sketch. By the way, your sketch doesn't have to look exactly like this. I'll never check them one to the other. You can evolve your ideas from your sketch to this. Alright, so I go up. No, don't go up. Don't move on the y-axis, only on the x-axis. Only move horizontally, never vertically. Alright, so that's that, and I redraw to get rid of those gaps, and now I'm ready to start drawing. But one thing that I definitely want to make sure that happens is that I don't draw inside of this area or this area, and I don't draw inside of this. So we can't draw inside the hexagons. Alright, the reason is that I have seen this done where people draw inside the hexagon and they draw right through that hole, and well, you're going to drill the hole, then cut right through it? That doesn't sound like a good idea. So we go to line. I like me zoom in again, and this isn't going to get a lot bigger, but enough so it makes a difference. You can draw a lot more accurately, kind of like shooting something that's closer than farther away. I know that when I was in the Army, it was much easier to shoot targets that were 50 meters away than 300 meters away. And this is the same idea. The bigger you can make this, the better. I'm going to go right over my line, and I'm going to come out here, and I'm going to go under. I may touch this area out here, and I may touch the hexagon, but I can't draw inside of it. So I touch it, fine. And then let's see, I'm going to draw up here, and then draw down here. Give it a little bit of a that's going to be way too thin there. I need to be careful about the way that stuff works. Now I'm going to give it kind of a once-over. Check it out. Did I draw it right? I'm going to use Zoom Box again. Yep, I need to use that. And I'm just going to go across here, and I'm going to make sure that every single line starts and stops on another line. Hey, I made a mistake here. That's bad. It should be one continuous line going all the way around here. I can just trace this all the way around. It goes over the green line where it needs to, so it's one continuous line going all the way over there. This I can fix pretty easily just by doing modify, erase, and then redraw from here up to here, and then it looks good all the way across.